Welcome to Hanoi, everybody. This is Hanoi, Vietnam, and I wanted to give you a room tour. And in order to give you a room tour, I had to start outside because this is going to be the most interesting entrance to a room you've ever seen. That is a dim sum restaurant, and that is a Hanoi secret garden, and that is where we're staying. So we enter through the dim sum restaurant. Can you get any more Vietnamese than that? I don't think so. So this is pretty cool. We wanted the true experience, and we got it. So here we go. We're going to go through the restaurant and up to the room. And by the way, we've eaten here twice. And we've had dinner here at Dim Sum twice. It's really good. Their buns, steamed buns, are delicious. And Leslie really enjoys their shrimp dumplings. So there's a security code here, and she'll give you the code. And this is a magnetic lock. I just left it open for the video, but we're gonna lock it now. So what happens here is now it's locked. You can't get out, and no one can get in. There's a button here to get out, and once you get to come back in, you just punch in the secret code. All right, so we're gonna go up some curvy steps here. Yeah, it's a long way up. And we'll go up there in a second. So let's start with the room tour. So first thing we gotta do is, as usual in Asia, you pop off the shoes. There's two rooms as far as I know on this level. Well, that may be her room, I don't know. But guest room there, guest room here, we're in 202. Oh, actually no, 203, that was a suite with the balcony. That one had a little kitchenette. So I know, usually we like to do these the day of, so we don't trash them, but today we're doing it the day we're leaving, so it's pretty trashed. But here's what you get for the non-balcony style room. You get this little place to hang your clothes, get a little mini fridge, a small table, which works just fine for my little laptop, a little seat there, some nice artwork, a TV on the wall. I don't know the size of the bed. I think it's a queen, pretty sure. Yeah, that's it. That's the room. It's not very big, but you know, you don't really need a big room. We've got a modern, good-sized toilet there, small sink, and just the Asian style open shower here, which works fine. It's super hot water. She gives us some towels and stuff like that. In fact, we forgot to flip the breaker off to the hot water. Something that they always ask you to do around here. And that is the room. It's approximately $30 US a night. We're in right just about on the edge of what they call the Old Quarter here in Hanoi. 15-minute walk to the lake with the temple in the middle of the lake. I've walked it. 15 minutes to the night market on the weekends. I've walked that. And just a couple minutes to anything and everything you could possibly want, because there's everything here. So yeah, that's a suite of some sort. We were gonna get that one, but it was booked. So anyway, moving on. I'm gonna go upstairs for you, finish the tour. So up some more stairs. And I don't really know everything that's bookable, but our room came with a breakfast, and this is where we go for breakfast. So we come up here to this level, walk on these spongy mats so you don't make any noise, and you have your breakfast. And this is a common room, and there's a washer and dryer available, which we did use, or she did it for us. Hi, just making a video. And this is where we just had our breakfast this morning, along with another couple. And I guess this would be the garden for the secret garden part. So lots of plants and flowers up here. The rain has finally stopped. It was raining pretty hard a few minutes ago. And I'll tell you what, they make delicious breakfasts here. Very, very good. Okay, so there's another set of rooms up there. We're not going to bother going because we can't get in them anyway. And that's it. that is Hanoi Secret Garden. There is the owner, who's here quite a bit of the time, and you just saw two of the workers, the staff. Super nice people, going out of their way to help us. Anything and everything you would need it, they'll do it. The owner does speak some English, which is very helpful. These two girls do not. All right, so would I recommend the Secret Garden? Yeah, I would. It puts you right dead center of everything. It's weird. There's no doubt about it. It's weird. You are staying upstairs over top of a restaurant. You can't hear them. We're pretty far up. You can't hear them, can't smell them, nothing like that. The food, by the way, down there is delicious, like I said. So you got an easy, convenient place to eat your dinner. There's a wonderful bakery right around the corner. I mean, there's everything. Everything is right here, all over the place, and you're with no more than 15 minutes walk. You can go just about anywhere you want to go. Also, there's Grab here in Vietnam, and they are fast. You say push the button, and they're pretty much sitting out there. So that's it. I would recommend it if you want to try to stay here. It's pretty cool. It's no 5-star hotel or anything, but you get that experience. You get that Vietnam kind of experience in this little place, and the staff here is wonderful. You probably might not get that somewhere else. I don't know. So anyway, that's it. We'll see you soon on the next video.